I learned this trick with a friend from Italy. Now I only make chicken like this. Start by cutting a whole chicken in half lengthwise. Then turn the chicken over and make 2 shallow cuts in it, just like I'm doing. After doing that, add 2 ice cubes to each cut we made. Now transfer this chicken to a large pot, add 4 garlic cloves cut in half, 200 grams of leek cut into smaller pieces, parsley to taste, black peppercorns to taste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Add water until it covers everything. Cover the pot and let everything cook for 20 minutes. After this time has passed, remove the chicken from the pot and set it aside. Next, in a small bowl, add 200 grams of unsalted melted butter, parsley to taste, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix everything very well and set aside. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Now in a large bowl add 1 kilogram of medium potatoes, 1 onion sliced into half moons, 1 red bell pepper chopped into strips, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a drizzle of olive oil, and mix everything very well to combine the seasonings. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Once that's done, in a baking dish lined with non-stick baking paper, add the chicken we cooked. Then, pour the seasoned butter we prepared over the chicken. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. And add the potatoes. Take everything to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 45 minutes, but keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. This is the right point. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.